Hello, my lovely kindergartners. I'm so excited. Today we are going to talk, excuse me, about Monet. And look at this amazing artwork that Monet did. He is known for making beautiful pictures, often having water and the trees reflected in that water. Look at how he did this. He has beautiful trees and there's beautiful ponds and lakes, and you can see the reflection in the water. I know when I look in the mirror, I see a reflection of my face. I can see my face in the mirror. Reflection is just showing that image back to itself. We're going to do that with our artwork today. Get ready. Here we go. This is what we're going to do. We're going to see this beautiful piece where we've made a wonderful yellow background. We've got a folded piece of paper that we've put some trees on. We folded it and we see the reflection. Oh my goodness, let's talk about how we're going to do this. The first thing we need to do is we are going to fold our paper. That's right, we're going to fold our paper. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to paint the entire paper. Now I said blue here, but I think we could paint it blue or yellow. That's up to you. I think the yellow actually looks much nicer. So let's paint it yellow. Everybody's going to paint their background yellow. We're going to pause the video for when everybody's painted it yellow, and I'm going to show you how to do the trees. All right, get ready to pause the video. Hi, my sweeties. Yes, so your paper that has been folded is now painted yellow. Are you ready for those trees? Well, here we go. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to paint our trees. 1 tree, 2 tree, 3 tree, 4 tree, 5 tree. And then we're going to fold the paper back up on itself. And when we unfold the paper, there we'll see the reflection. Now, sometimes I paint one tree, I fold it up and rub it, unfold, and I see the tree. Then I go ahead and I paint the second one, and I fold it up and I unfold, and I go ahead and see the trees. I'm going to have Miss Fleming pause the video with this beautiful picture up so that you can get working on your artwork. When you're all done with your beautiful yellow background and then your trees, and you folded and rubbed, and you're all done with that, I bet class will be over. I can't wait to hear about your wonderful artwork that you created today. Bye, my lovelies.